In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on PayPal. Whether you've recently gotten married, corrected a typo, or updated your legal details, having the right name on your PayPal account is important for verification, security, and getting paid without issues. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. You can do this by signing into your account the way you normally do, using the official PayPal website. Once you've logged in successfully, you should land on your account's summary page. This is the main dashboard where you see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different features. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents your account settings. It's usually placed near the logout option. Click on that gear icon to open your settings. This is where PayPal keeps all your personal details, security options, and preferences. Once you're in the settings area, you'll see sections related to your personal information. Look for your name and profile details. Somewhere near your name, you should see an option that says Change Name. Click on this option. This is the section specifically designed for updating the name associated with your PayPal account. After clicking Change Name, PayPal will guide you through a form. Here, you need to enter your correct first and last name, exactly as you want them to appear on your account. Take your time and double check the spelling, because this name may be used to verify your identity and match with your bank or card details. Once you've entered your new first and last name, click on Continue. At this point, PayPal may ask you to upload some documents to prove your identity and confirm the name change. This is a standard security step, especially for legal name changes. Common documents include things like government-issued IDs or other official paperwork. Make sure any document you upload is clear and readable and that it matches the name you just entered. After you submit everything, PayPal may take some time to review your request. Once it's approved, your updated name will appear in your account settings and on future transactions.